Going to question 22 now, we have a line right here. We know it's a line because x and y are to the first power. If x were to the second power, it would be a quadratic, a parabola, and it's being translated down 4 units. Now, if you're given the equation of a line, you really want to see it in y equals mx plus b form so you can make sense of it. So let's do that. We have 9x minus 10y equals 19. We want y equals mx plus b. So let's take away 9x from both sides, and we'll have negative 10y is negative 9x plus 19. Now, I wrote the x before the 19, and that's because we're thinking in our minds that we need to have this looking like y equals mx plus b. So negative 9x plus 19 is so much better than 19 minus 9x. Now we can divide by negative 10 on both sides, and we'll have y equals positive 9 over 10x minus 19 over 10. That's because when we multiply or divide by a negative, the same sign, so negative 9 over negative 10, gives you positive, and opposite signs, 19 over negative 10, gives you a negative. So now we have the equation of this line. It starts at almost negative 2, and then from there it'll go up 9 and over 10 on a graph. And we're seeing that this is all being translated down 4 units. So let's talk a little bit about translations. Let's say we have a nice parabola, y equals x squared, as our basic function. If we add to the outside of that, that's a vertical shift, and vertical shifts are normal. So positive is up and negative is down. So if you add 5 on the outside, that would be pushing the parabola up 5. If, on the other hand, you add to the inside of it, by the inside, I mean replacing x with x plus 5. That would be a horizontal shift, and those are backwards. Normally, positive is to the right and negative is to the left. So here, positive would be to the left. So this would be left 5. In f of x language, this would be f of x, this would be f of x plus 5, and this would be f of x plus 5. So for us, this is being translated down 4 units. A vertical shift means you're adding to the outside and it's normal. So to translate down 4, we simply want to subtract 4 from it on the outside. And so now we can use our calculator or not to get this. So we'll have 9 over 10x minus 19 over 10. And this, with the denominator of 10, is negative 40 over 10. So right now we have y equals 9 over 10x minus 59 over 10. And now we can look at the fact that we're being asked for the x-coordinate of the x-intercept. And one of the fundamental rules is that the x-intercept is the moment when y is 0, and the y-intercept is the moment when x is 0. So the x-intercept, for us, that means y is 0. So let's go ahead and replace y with 0. Next, we can add 59 over 10 to both sides. So 59 over 10 equals 9 over 10x. We can multiply both sides by 10, and we'll have 59 equals 9x. And next, we can divide by 9. And x equals 59 over 9 for question 22.